Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 8th HS Check Sarmar, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. उम्मीद है कि आप सलामत होंगे। मेरी भी दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला आपको अपनी हिफ़्ज़ और अमान में रखे। आज का जो क्लास है वो 8th है और सब्जेक्ट है जनरल साइंस। तारीख है आज 3 जून। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो कंबशन है, कंबशन एंड फ्लेम, चैप्टर नंबर 7। चैप्टर नंबर 7 है। आप पेज नंबर 79 पर जाइए और किताब अपनी निकालें। कंबशन एंड फ्लेम, कंबशन गो कशर पर दजुन, फ्लेम गई पे वत। We use different kinds of fuels. मुख्तलिफ किस्म के फ्यूल इस्तेमाल करान for various purposes at home. मुख्तलिफ पर्पसों को पन्ने गए इंडस्ट्री कारखानस में and for running automobiles, बे मोटर गाड़ी चलावन। Can you name few fuels used at our home? तो ही क्या मैं नाव वन कैंसन फ्यूलन हुंद युस गए इस्तेमाल करना ज़्यून ज़ाला गैस ज़ाला। Name few fuels, name few fuels, कैंसन फ्यूल हुंद नाव वन used in trade and industry. इस इंडस्ट्री में इस्तेमाल करना है। What fuels are used for running mobiles? कम फ्यूल्स इस्तेमाल एमा करने मोबाइलों खते, मतलब इस पेट्रोल करान, डीजल करान या कोल करान। Your list will contain fuels. युस तो हुन लिस्ट छु, युस तो लिस्ट बनियो fuels like cow dung, wood, लकड़, coal, कोयला, charcoal, petrol, diesel, compressed natural gas यानी CNG। ये सारी क्या fuels? You are familiar with the burning of a candle. तो ये शमाज़ाला। What is difference between the burning of a candle and burning of a fuel like coal? दबा तो यूनुस difference क्या ची? शमाज़ाला तो पच्चीस ज़ाला इस कोल। आत्मस क्या difference च? युस शमा चु, आत्म वाला ये हाइट हीट तो दिवां, तो लाइट तो दिवां। इसके बरकस युस कोल चु, ये हीट, ये लाइट प्रोड्यूस रह दिवां के हीट दिवां। Maybe you are able to guess right. Candle burns with a flame. Yus shama chu athas chu vasa re, whereas coal does not. Magar coal reh vasa ke magar heat diwan. Similarly, you will find many other materials burning without flame. तो ही क्योंकि बाकी material थी वो चीज़ यम दाजान छ, मगर इनमें flame दिवान के रह दिवान के। Let's study the chemical process of burning and types of flame produced during this process. That means chemical process पढ़ियो। What is combustion? Combustion क्या गो? You might have observed burning magnesium ribbon, magnesium. So you might have observed the burning of magnesium. Magnesium burns for magnesium oxide and produces heat and light. Yel magnesium dazan shu, ish kara produce heat ita be light. We can perform a similar activity with a piece of charcoal. Assume a piece of charcoal. Hold the piece with a pair of tongs and bring it near to the flame of the candle or Bunsen burner. What do you observe? We find that charcoal burns in air. Charcoal has in air. We know that coal do burns in air. Coal producing carbon dioxide, heat and light. Carbon dioxide produces heat and light. A chemical process in which substance reacts with combustion क्या गई? A chemical process in which such reacts substance react with oxygen as a gas to give off heat. Use as heat is called combustion. Is called क्या combustion? A chemical process in which substance react with oxygen. Use substance react करता से oxygen to give off heat. The heat is called combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is said to be combustible. So substance use combustion undergoes that's combustible. It is also called a fuel. Fuel. The fuel go either. The fuel may be solid, liquid or gas. You see fuel. ये solid थी ऐसे, ये liquid थी ऐसे, ये gas थी ऐसे. Solid go lagar, cow dung. Liquid go maize teal, diesel. gas go CNG gas. Sometimes light is also given off during combustion. Kuni wasa sa shakil combustion gasan chel dazan ch im sat light nera either a flame or a glow ya shreh nera. In the reaction in the reactions mentioned above, magnesium and charcoal are combustible substances. Magnesium the charcoal im chu dono combustible substances. Substances ge to im combustion dazan asan. We were told that food is a fuel for our body. I said one uses food is come on, yes, it's fuel for body. Similarly, so in our body, food is broken down. If a person's body must be food broken down, with oxygen and heat is produced. What can produce? Heat. Collect some materials. The activity number 7 material to collect like cetera, gas, macetic, matchstich, kerosene oil, methyl, paper, kagaz, iron nails, kill, stone pieces, kanye, glass, sheesh, etc. Under the supervision of your teacher, teacher supervisor try to burn each of these materials one by one. If combustion takes place, mark the it is combustible. Agar combustion agar daiji, tak karius mark. Otherwise, mark non-combustible. Burn material over table 7.1. Material combustible non-combustible को use दाइजे non-combustible use के दाइजे के wood ये को combustible paper ये को combustible iron nails दाइजे ना कि ये नदी heat नदी रे non kerosene oil ये दाइजे ये heat light stone piece ये को non-combustible cetera ये दाइजे charcoal ये दाइजे matchstick ये दाइजे glass ये दाइजे ना कि मर को glass को शीश iron and stone त्रे चीज non-combustible यम दाजन ना वन बह कह पॉइंट थो ये लिखित यम कर थो जहन में व्हाट इज combustion combustion क्या गो it is a chemical process what is combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen you substance hasa can react ka oxygen to give heat and light but yes heat light what is combustion it is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give heat and light what is combustion it is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat and light in part fuel kya go in the it is a substance what is fuel it is a substance which gives off heat and light on burning fuel go yel is alone yes it gives heat to be light what is fuel it is a substance which gives off heat and light while on burning what is fuel it is a substance which gives off heat what is fuel it is a substance which gives off heat and light on burning yeli zalo ye fuel zalo tel hasa dem heat the be light some fuels burn with flame and some do not burn with flame ke fuel hasa che ke buch wata re ke zak re wata ki some fuels burn with flame इस वुचान मतलब शमा अत पे क्या रे या मजीद अत पे रे some fuels do not burn with flame on burning combustible substance क्या गई the substance which can burn give heat and light are called combustible substance गई तुम यम burn कर the combustible substance that substance which can burn to give heat and light are called combustible substance. The substances, combustible substance क्या गई? The substances which can burn to give heat, oxygen as heat and light are called combustible substance. For example, combustible substance are wood, गई लकड़, paper, गो कागज, kerosene oil, cetera, charcoal, matchstick, etc. यम के combustible substance. यम heat इच देवा, यम light इच देवा. What is non-combustible substance? Non-combustible substances are those substances which cannot burn with which cannot react with oxygen. Non-combustible substances के तुम substance यम oxygen से react किए कारण कि on burning does use and cannot give heat and light. Question को combustible substance के तुम substance यम दजान छ non-combustible substance के तुम substance यम दजान छ कि ये oxygen से react करा छ. Non-combustible substance the substance which cannot react with oxygen on burning and cannot give light and heat are known as non-combustible substances. For example, iron, nails, stone pieces, गिलास एक्सेट्रा यम गई नॉन कम्स क्या कहीं छन दजान कि न दिवान हीट न दिवान लाइट शस्तर दजान कि गिलास तो दजान कि आज गो उतुई तान पगह फर इंशाल्लाह बे उमा अल्लाह बराबर